How to set welcome message in group, how to use welcome message option in group. So to set a welcome message to your group, you have to add a bot called Rose. So you might have heard of the Rose bot already. So on inside the Rose bot in PM, type in /start, then it will give you this pop-up that says add me to your chat. So you have to tap on add me to your chat and add Rose to one of your group chats here, right? So once you have done that, because you have already added Rose, now what you need to do is you need to set a welcome message. Now to set a welcome message, just type in /set welcome, then just like this, after you type in /set welcome, type in space and type in your welcome message. So you can just type in a welcome to my channel or something like that. So you can just go ahead and enter that like this, welcome to the group, or so on like that, right? And once you've done that and hit this little arrow button, you can see this new welcome message will get saved, and whenever someone joins the group, they will be able to actually set this as a welcome message. So you have to add the Rose bot inside your Telegram group, by the way. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.